Hello, I'm Laura Colquhoun and I'm a BACP registered counsellor and psychotherapist based in the Cotswolds and in London, where I see a wide range of clients presenting with many different issues as individuals as well as couples. So today I'm going to talk to you about internet addiction, or IAD, internet addiction disorder. We've all got a mobile phone, and aren't we all just a little bit preoccupied with them? I mean, for lots of us, it's the first thing we do in the morning. We pick up and look at our phones. But what is addiction? Well, addiction is essentially when use becomes abuse. It's a preoccupation with the thing. So that might mean that we're obsessive or compulsive. We have bad control when it comes to use of the internet. So internet addiction can cause depression, it can make you isolate, it can cause anxiety, ruin your impulse control, and it can also lead to substance misuse, alcohol and drugs. In fact, excessive use of the internet can be really, really damaging. It can also lose you an awful lot of money. If you have a gambling addiction online, for instance, if you have a shopping addiction online, if you're gaming compulsively, if you're too much compulsively looking at social media, if you're compulsively online dating, swipe all the time, or if you're engaged in cybersex or pornography, these can all be elements of internet addiction that can be very damaging. I think we've all come across or experienced adults and young people who are addicted to gaming and what that looks like, you know, the isolation. People will spend hours in their rooms playing video games. Now, a little bit of gaming where you're connecting with somebody on the internet might not be a bad thing. I think for a lot of people during the pandemic, it was really helpful. But what we're looking at here is when use of our phones, our tablets, our computers, interacting, a bit of social media becomes abuse. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for when it changes to become a problem. And one of the ways we can see when it's becoming problematic is by looking at our behaviour or the other person's behaviour. Are they preoccupied with being online? Are they overusing the internet? Are they moody? Are they withdrawn? Are they eating less? Are they using other substances? There can be quite significant behavioural changes that might suggest somebody has an internet addiction problem or an internet addiction disorder. So, how can counselling and psychotherapy help? Well, we give you a safe space as qualified professionals where we can help explore why this has become a problem. Is it triggered by something? Is this a response to trauma? Are you doing it out of boredom and then it's got slightly out of control? Are you doing it for identity? Are you seeking to connect with people? Is it loneliness? Have you isolated yourself and that's why you're using the internet more? And has that made you feel more isolated? Has it become a chicken and egg situation almost? We will explore in a professional safe space why you have internet addiction disorder, why this has suddenly got so out of control. And we will give you tools to help you with that, help you manage it. Look at triggers, look at ways to take your use down and then eventually get to a place where it's manageable. So if this sounds like something that you would be interested in, having counselling or psychotherapy for your internet addiction, reach out to a professional. You can either reach out to me personally or one of the other members of the counselling directory. And remember, it's good to talk, and this doesn't have to be a permanent problem. Professionals like myself can work with you to help solve the problem.